What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Drive Ahead. Let's do this. So here's basically the starting screen. Today we're gonna be trying to do some legit stuff. And the game's not loading. Oh yeah, and by the way, we're in a storm. Okay, that was pretty scary. Like, I was just waiting and literally sleeping, and then it just came like that. I was scared. Okay, so we're gonna do it. Summer Islands, because it's summer. Turbo Turtles, Renegade. Nope. Let's go. Nope. Yes. Okay, so let's try to win this. Wow. Did you just see me? I did it barrels. No. Oh! Sorry. Boom. Nope. Let's go. Dukes. Oh. Sniped. Let's go. Okay, you died. Let's try again. They see me rolling. Oh! I think I want to lose. Yeah. So now. Oh! Let's go. So today, guys, the funny thing is I was supposed to do a video with another member of the Elite Four, but I don't know what happened. And wait, how I scored? Let's go. I don't know what happened, but we weren't able to for some reason. Roblox video. So that's why I ended up doing Drive Ahead. I'm only 2 points away from winning. Come on. Oh! Let's go. These levels are pretty hard. Okay, let's go. We're 2-0. Ah, that hurts. We're 2-1. Come on. Ah. 2-2. 3-2. I think we might win this. You have better odds. Okay, we're only 1 point away from winning. Okay. If I lose this, I'm literally gonna chuck my iPad across the room. But I don't have to because I win. I want a turtle. I didn't know I wanted that. Why do I win a game again? Oh, that thing saved me big time. Come on, I can have it. I have it. I'm probably gonna drown. Oh, I lived. Let's go. It's 1-1. Okay, this guy is cabbage, but nope. Yeah, that's a guy. No one cares. Are you kidding me? Okay. Ah, depressing. After we finish this, or if we finish this, I think this should be it for our win. Oh, come on. Ah. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we're only doing... Actually, I don't know. We might actually continue recording one more. Okay, let's keep recording. Our thunder is coming in. Defeat 5 enemies. Okay. That guy just got mauled. Okay, for the stomach. Gotta get another one. Another one. Oh, I was so close. If we didn't kill one. Dang it. Okay. Oh. This is probably gonna, after this one, it's probably gonna be my last try. Oh. Slipped. We have potential. Okay. So remember guys, to leave a like. And remember to subscribe for more videos. See you guys next time. And peace.